Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning App Lock on and securing it with a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once done, grant required permissions, usage access, and any privacy prompts, so the system can monitor apps. Make sure you register a recovery method like a backup PIN or linked email/phone. You do this now because without permissions and recovery options, the lock won't behave reliably. Enabling these prepares the phone to enforce per app locks immediately. You now pick which apps to protect and fine-tune behavior. Select sensitive apps like banking, messages, and email, then enable options for locking notifications and media previews so content stays hidden. Next, set an auto lock delay, immediate for high security, a short timeout for convenience. You can also exclude trusted Bluetooth devices or home location to avoid repeated unlocks. Adjusting these settings balances security and usability and ensures app lock works the way you need. Finish by testing each locked app so you confirm the lock triggers correctly and the chosen unlock method works. If an app bypasses the lock, regrant permissions, clear app lock cache, or reinstall updates. These steps fix most permission or carrier quirks. Make a backup of lock settings and keep Find My Device active so you can remotely secure or reset the phone if needed. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck battery or power optimizations that may stop app lock services.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.